Hi there, guys, and welcome to the new midweek outlook and welcome to 2021. Hope you've all had a good Christmas and New Year's. Hope you've had a good break, you're refreshed and ready to crack on with this new year. Guys, I'm going to get straight into it. If you haven't checked out the new website already, that's Lit Capital 2.0. Do check that out now. That's www.litcapital.co.uk. There's a few new features on there, some really cool stuff to help you with your trading. Guys, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube. There's tons of videos on there to help all beginners, advanced traders. There's the market outlooks, the Sunday setups, the things that we're looking at throughout the week where you can look at some good trades with some good traders as well. So again, guys, just check out all them cool features that we do have here. With that being said, I'm going to get straight into the charts and we're going to be looking at the economic calendar, just kind of looking at what news we have coming up for the rest of the week. So again, today we've got the FOMC minutes on the dollar. So expect a reaction around 7 p.m. tonight on the dollar. Tomorrow, there's not much. We've got some euro news, some, again, more dollar news and some CAD in the evening, or sorry, the afternoon. And of course, the main one for me will be the Friday. We've got the CAD unemployment rate. Again, not expecting it to do much, but if there is something here that's going to move the market slightly, it will be this one. And of course, Friday, we've got the NFP. So that's the non-farm payrolls. So, you know, the year's just starting out. We want to kind of see what direction we're going to get on some markets and, you know, just kind of see what we're going to get with this news and see how things are going to react, how 2021 is going to start. So with that being said, guys, let's get into the charts. Okay, guys, the first pair I want to talk about is the euro pound. Of course, we've had a lot of that Brexit news over the holiday period where apparently we've now got a deal or we're out of Brexit. So again, kind of just want to see how that's going to react with the pound. Of course, we're in lockdown as well, so our economy can't be doing too well right now. Not to say that the pound can't gain strength. So just kind of waiting to see how that's going to play out. But if I'm just looking at this euro pound chart, right, we're in a key selling area. Okay, this is the monthly time frame. It seems to be happy to sell from around the 92, 95 mark. So again, we're just pushing towards that area. And as I come down the time frames now, I just want to see how we can plot a trade setup, get a sell possibly. So I'm just adding the drawings here. And if I come down to this daily, I want to talk about what I've seen on the daily time frame. So there was lots of liquidity over here building up. And of course, I believe this is a scenario where the market makers were last seen. They were last at. And as you can see, we've had these two taps come up towards this candle. So I believe they are playing out of this area. I believe they're ready to push the market lower. Just by seeing what they've done here on the daily. If I just come down to the 4 hour now, and this is the actual setup I'm looking at. Okay, so I'm just looking at this swing here. Now there's a few scenarios that can happen. Of course, we've got that good entry so far on the 9800 mark. So there's a potential for this to push down lower, at least to 89,600. Okay, so that's about 120 pips. So what I do believe could happen is it may stall here for a bit. Price then may dip this area, dip the liquidity around the 91 level, maybe 91, 100, 200, and then we get the monstrous sell down. So again, that's what I'm waiting for. We had a good reaction off the imbalance yesterday. Not a massive move down. It's now pushed up to the area where we're happy to really take that sell from. And again, we've got a good start to it. So just kind of seeing how that plays out for the rest of today. Is it going to pause? Are we going to get that liquidity grab from maybe the entry up here? So again, just letting this one come to me and we can see where we're going to get the best opportunity from. Okay, guys, the second pair I want to go through is the CAD JPY. Now, remember, we just had that news. We've got some news coming out for the CAD at the end of the week. So again, we'll be looking out to see how this is going to react with that. My first signs are we're in a bearish structure. We're in a bearish environment. Okay, so this is coming down. This looks like it's threatening to go lower. Recently, for the last few months, it's been strong. There's been the push from the CAD. So I do want to see that yen kind of get stronger now and take control. So if I just come down the time frames, the weekly shows a clearer picture of where we can get our trade set up. And I just want to kind of go through the different confluences. So the first thing we've got is that equal higher there, where the blue arrow. So we can look to see this area get taken out. Of course, it fits with the 82 number. So the nice round number around that level. So I do want to see that get dipped into roughly into this area, maybe 82,500. And then there could be a potential reaction for the sell there. We've got the imbalance area. Okay, so I just want to see how price is going to react with that. And of course, we've got our mitigation candle here. So we know that they want to come to this area to possibly mitigate out of a position. So again, just if you come down to the daily, you start to see these things clearer. There's the double top, the equal high. And we just want to see that get grabbed and a potential entry round, maybe if not 82, it could go to 83 with this play up here, with the mitigation play up here. So again, just going to let this one come to me. I'll see how the news plays out with the CAD. Hopefully that we get some CAD strength, which will then push price into this area. And then we can start to monitor for how the entry for the sell will look, and then whether we take our position or not. So guys, keep an eye on this one. This one will be updated in the Discord. Okay, guys, so just a quick reminder for any beginners that want to get started learning Forex, learning how to trade, learning like Lit Capital. You can head over to our website here. There's a free Forex course. This is for any beginner. It's very basic information. It's not how we teach, but it's very good, very insightful for anyone who wants to get started and just learn how Forex works. We've got about 8 lessons breakdown here. Okay, so be sure to check that out. It's in the free Forex course page. Okay, lots of relevant information there to help you get started and help you just understand how it all works. Okay, guys, this is another one that I've been looking at recently, started to study towards the back end of last year. It's the UK100. I just want to talk about what I'm seeing here on this monthly time frame. So we've had a very bullish environment for a very long time. And as you can see now, since that 2019, since the coronavirus kind of struck, this just had a monstrous move to the downside. So I do believe there's been some money pumped in bringing this market down now. As we know, like I mentioned, the UK economy, we don't really know what's going to happen with it right now. It's been strong over the last 3 months. I'm kind of looking to see that die out now and possibly get that sell. So if I just come down the time frames, again, that weekly picture is going to look a bit clearer. But it's this area around the 7,000, 7,400 mark. I just want to see a reaction. I want to see something happen in this area where we can then potentially get the big sell to the downside. So again, just keep an eye on this one, guys. I'm going to be updating this in the Discord in due time. Okay, guys, just before I leave, be sure to check out the YouTube Lit Capital. There is lots of new content coming this year, lots of new things to help you advance in your trading skills. So again, just be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell to stay up to date with any new videos that we may post. Guys, have a great start to the year. And remember, every day is money day.